In this video I will show you how to find password any Android mobile, any other mobiles. So restart. First home button, press. This is slide down, press and down, and this window open, and click hotspot, continue press. You can see this pop-up open and hotspot open. Find your password, hotspot setting, go to setting. This is my password, and hotspot name you can change easily. Okay, and password, if you none password, so security option open and none password set. If you want create password and personal, choose and create new password, anything. Okay, so this method use how to find hotspot password any Android, any other mobiles, and save button, this is here. After this use net and enjoy you.